Welcome, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I wish you a happy and healthy day. Students, today I'm going to explain electricity, the 12th chapter of physics of class 9. And in today's video, I'm going to explain what is electricity, how does it form, and the direction of electric current. So, students, welcome. Welcome to our science channel, Sandeepani's E.learning. Let's start. Students, we all know that electricity is an important source of energy, and from electricity, we get electrical energy. And this electrical energy, in the form of electric current, which when runs in the circuits, then it light on our tubes, bulbs, or run on our fans, our machines, and other electrical appliances. Students, without electricity, we cannot think anything. Actually, the modern era or the modern age is completely dependent on electricity. Electricity is made up of charged particles, electrons. Students, all of you know that inside the atom there are two charged particles. One is positively charged particles, protons, and the other one is negatively charged particles, electrons. Protons, which always remain attached to the nucleus of the atom. But electrons keep on revolving in their respective cells outside the nucleus. And the outermost electrons means the valence electrons, they are free. They're free to move inside the metal. And these electrons, these valence or free electrons, move freely and randomly in a metal. And students, the substances which have this type of free electrons which move in that substance from one end to another end freely and randomly, those substances are called, students, conductors, such as silver, gold, copper, etc. And if the free electrons of any substance can be moved to a definite direction, then electricity will start flowing in that conductor. So, students, what is electricity? Electricity is a flow of electrons. The flow of electrons in a definite direction constitutes an electric current. Students, we can say that to get electricity or electric current, the charges must flow in a conductor in a definite direction. Students, electricity are of two types. One is static electricity, another one is dynamic electricity. Students, when two objects are rubbed against each other, then charges are transferred from one object to another object and remain there until something is done to the object. That is called for, students, static electricity. But dynamic electricity, the charges keeps on moving, keeps on flowing in a conductor, and which does all our necessary work. And in this chapter, we are going to read about dynamic electricity. And one thing we have come to know, students, that to gain electric current or electricity, the charges must flow to a definite direction. Students, the direction of electric current. Students, if two bodies which have different temperature are kept in contact, then the heat energy will flow from higher temperate body to lower temperate body by the process of conduction. Students, here in this picture, two objects are given. Object A, which is having higher temperature, and object B, it is at lower temperature. And both these objects are connected by a metallic wire. And after being connected, it has been shown that by the process of conduction, that heat energy flows from high temperate body to lower temperate body. It is the nature of the heat. And this flow of heat energy will continue until the temperature of both the bodies equalize. Same students, the water also follows the same nature. Water always flows from the higher surface level to lower surface level. But charges students also flow. But charges flow on the basis of potential of the conductor. What will be the direction of the flow of charges? It is decided by the potential of the conductor. Now, what is potential of a conductor? Students, in this picture, here two objects are given. Object A and object A is carrying the plus sign on it. So we can say that as it is a conductor, the electrons or the negative charges has gone away from this conductor. And as it has losses electrons, that's why this conductor has attained positive charge. But on the other hand, on the object B, minus sign is written. It means this conductor has gained some electron. And as object B has gained some electrons, it has attained negative charge. And when students, a conductor attains some kind of charge, it may be positive or it may be negative, then the conductor is said to have some potential. So here, object A, it has gained positive charge. That's why object A is said to be at higher potential. And object B, as it has gained some negative charge, that's why this object B is said to be at lower potential. So students, there is a potential difference between these two conductors. So if these two conductors are connected by a metallic wire, then charges will start flowing. But what would be the direction of the charges? Students, here it is shown by arrow mark that electric current flows from positive means higher potential body to lower potential body, whereas electrons flows from lower potential to higher potential body. Students, when electricity was first invented, then it was the opinion of the scientists that electricity is formed of positively charged particles that are protons. And it is said that electric current flows from higher potential to lower potential body. And it is the conventional electricity theory. So as per the conventional electricity theory or conventional direction of electric current is said to flow from the region of higher potential to the region of lower potential. Many years after, it is came to be known that the electricity is constituted by the flow of electrons, and it flows just opposite the direction of conventional electric current, means from lower potential region to higher potential region. So students, in this picture, electric current, as per the conventional electric current flows from higher potential region to lower potential region, whereas the electrons electricity or the actual electricity flows from lower potential region to higher potential region, just opposite the path of electric current. And this flow of charges will continue till there is a potential difference between these two objects. When these two objects will have no potential difference, means the charges on these two objects will equalize, then this flow of charges will stop. So students, I hope you understand. And students, in my next video, I'm going to explain the electrical potential and potential difference. So keep watching. Thank you.